we're gonna jump right into it. This is gonna be a short introduction, you guys. I haven't filmed because we technically went on a family vacation. That's a long story. We're not even gonna get into that. But anyways, I have a few more days before I gotta return back to work. So I want to create something that I'm thinking about ahead of time for the holidays and stuff like that. So I am going to be creating a makeup bag, of course, but there's going to be other things along with it. But I want to just show you guys how I'm putting this bag together. This bag is completely a demo bag. You will see that, where's my fabric? Oh, right here. You will see that I already have my fabric cut out, but I do have the this part right here on this, that's part of this. I'm actually gonna leave this on here. Like I said, this is a demo bag and I wanna see how it's coming out because I already have the zipper pulls ordered. I have the color zipper I'll be using already. So once I see if I like the shape of this bag using this fabric, I will, go ahead and make an actual one that's actually gonna be sold on my site and on Etsy, and then we will go from there. But yeah, so I just want to show you, I just wanted you guys to see me putting it together. So that's about it. I'll jump in if I got something else to say later on, y'all, because I realized whenever I film with my camera, the editing software on my computer, I cannot figure out how to do voiceover. So unless I use my cell phone to film with, which I'm trying not to do, there won't be a voiceover. So I will jump in sometime and let you guys know what's going on.